My name is Martti Keskinen and I am responsible for YIT drone concept. And the concept is simple. We are using DJI Phantom 4 drones to take pictures of sites, and combining these site pictures we produce 3D models and point clouds, and we use these point clouds to calculate measures, and comparing two measures together we will see how much we have produced in between these flights. Especially project manager who is steering the site can utilize the visual information, and it's almost real time. So then he can take actions much faster than normal reporting system. We can use the timeline which the system creates so that we can go to any time which we have photographed and come back in time and see what is installed in the site, especially pipelines and things like that. Something that is not documented properly in time can be picked up afterwards. The speed is very fast in development in this area, and in Finland we are trying to put it on for all the sites which are especially infra sites. Future will tell what will happen, and we will expect about in 9 months we will have something new again.